what is the minimum? So what is the shortest distance? Distance between 2 points only. So already he has given point 3 comma 0. We have to find any point on the curve. Then find the distance over here, minimum distance here. So very simple. Firstly, we have to take this is related to maximum minimum question only. Given curve is y is equal to x square. So any point A is equal to 3 comma 0. So from the point 3 comma 0, if you want graph, I will show like this. So this is the coordinate system and y is equal to x square. This is called parabola which is symmetric about y axis. This is the shape of the curve. It passes through horizon also. And point 3 comma 0, this lies on the x axis. Any point P, this is A. So this shortest distance find out. PA distance is asking. Okay, to find this one, point P is required. So to find here slope find out, that is f dash of x is equal to what? 2x. F double dash of x is what? 2. Okay, if f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, here curve, first of all, PA distance calculate. What is the PA distance? PA is equal to any point on the curve x comma y. Find the PA distance only, we don't want that is. That is square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Now this is equal to square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y value x square. Y square value x means here it becomes x raised to 4. Or else we can take here, I take without square root also. This is f of x is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus x raised to 4. Whenever you take directly also, we are getting the answer same. So little bit square roots are there means differentiation is little bit difficult. To avoid this difficulty, we have to take the without square form. Then we can easily solve the question. So now first derivative calculate. The remaining method you know very well. F dash of x is equal to 2 times of x minus 3 into 1 plus 4x cube. Clear? This is 4x cube. Next, second derivative. F double dash of x is equal to, this becomes 2. Derivative of x minus 3 is 1 plus 12x square. So, whatever you take the value, does it has minimum or maximum? It is greater than means it has minimum compulsory. Minimum means shortest distance. So, solving put f dash of x is equal to 0. We get 4x cube. I can take order form plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Now, can you find out roots of this equation? At what value of x it is satisfied? To find the roots of a cubic equation or any value, okay na? Whatever they are given, we have to use trial and error method. What is the trial and error method? Substitute. Put x equal to 1. Whenever x is equal to 1, is it satisfying or not? So 4 plus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. It is satisfied x equal to 1. Now using Horn or synthetic division method, take the coefficients of polynomial 4, x square coefficient is 0, x coefficient 2 minus 6. Simplifying. So at x equal to 1, firstly we have to put 0, adding 4, multiplying this into this multiplication, 1 into 4, 4, adding 4, 1 into 4, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 into 6, 0. So, what is the equation? 4x square plus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. So that is the real value, real roots, imaginary roots are there. So x equal to 1. Check up. At x is equal to 1, what is the second derivative? Always greater than 0. It has minimum. Therefore, f of x has minimum at x is equal to 1. Can you find out if x is equal to 1, y is also 1. What is the point here? P 1 comma 1. After that, we have to find out distance between point P to the point A. So, PA distance is equal to square root of 3 minus 1 whole square or 1 minus 3 whole square, x value 1 plus 1 minus 0 whole square is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 square root of 5. This is the shortest distance between point on the curve to the point A 3 comma 0. So these are the models. Next one more question. I have to solve that. 13th question. Note down all of you problems one by one. The maximum slope of the curve. The maximum slope of the curve y is equal to minus x cube plus 3x square plus 9x minus 27 is. What is the maximum slope of this curve? So maximum value of the curve meaning. So to find out, first of all, slope of the curve we need here. Take the solution of this one. So very carefully find out slope. Calculate here m is equal to derivative value at any point minus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, this is the slope. So at a maximum value of this slope we find out. So observing all of it, take this one as f of x. Let f of x is or g of x minus 3x square plus 6x plus 9. Already given this method. Without using first derivative, second derivative test, we have to apply quadratic method form. Whenever you see the quadratic form, there are two types. One is a is greater than 0, a is less than 0. In this case, what is the a value? Minus 3. If a less than 0, what is the maximum value? Minus b plus or minus b, 4ac minus b square by 4a. What is the minimum value? Minus infinity. So maximum value is equal to, we know the formula, last class completed, 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. That equal to 4 into, what is the a value? Minus 3, c value 9, minus b square 36 divided by 4 into minus 3. Simplify. That is our answer only. Can you simplify that? Very simple. So 4 here, 4 9 times cancelled. Next minus 3, here minus 3 means here cancelled here. What is the remaining? Minus cancel 9, here remaining minus cancel here plus 3, that is equal to 12. So it has maximum slope at x is equal to 12 only. Like, can you solve some questions? Okay, I will give the one problem for homework to you. So 14th question, last one, cubic form. So I will give you this problem. So take the homework, this one, do yourself. The function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x plus 4 has. So here options. Option number 1, 2 points of local maximum. 2 points of local maximum. Option number 2, 2 points of local minimum. Third option, 1 point local maxima and 1 point local minima. No maximum and minimum values. No maximum and minimum values. Like 4 options are given. So whenever you see the cubic equation form, how to find out here? Using Sridhar's model formula. Model, that is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 3ac divided by 3a. With the help of this, how many local minimum, local maximum values, just we can find out. Okay, Sridhar's formula applied means it has 1 local maxima, 1 local minimum values. So these are the questions in application of derivatives. You refer the different textbooks also, practice more and more. Okay, thank you.